Adjustable base assembly instructions, unpacking and preparation. Note, some components may be fixed with nuts. In this case, unscrew the nuts to free the parts. Ensure that all components are carefully removed from the packaging. Installing bed feet. Ensure that the bed feet are securely tightened and that they are stable and level. Of course, if you feel the bed feet are too high, you can choose not to install them. Assembly of frame. Begin by assembling the bed frame. When connecting the frame, do not fully tighten the screws during initial assembly. Once the entire frame is assembled, proceed to tighten all screws to ensure stability. Motor installation. Identify the motors labeled for the head and foot of the bed. The head motor should be installed at the head of the bed. The foot motor should be installed at the foot of the bed. Tip: ensure that the labels on the motors are facing you to avoid confusion. Board installation. While installing the control panel, avoid using excessive force. Board installation. Match the wooden boards to the corresponding slots or positions on the bed frame. Ensure that each board corresponds correctly to its designated place to avoid misalignment. Bed cover installation. Remove the sham, unfold it, and slip it over the end board to adhere to the Velcro on the back of the footboard. Note, the perforations on the sham are for the feet.